Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my 4-cup slice. Alright, are you guys ready for this one? Alright, let's do this. So we need 1 cup of sultanas, 1 cup of choc bits. Now it doesn't matter what ones you use, we're just making stuff out of the cupboard at the minute. If you've only got white, if you've only got brown, if you've got dark, it doesn't matter, whatever choc bits you use. I use these black and gold ones. They're $1.50 a pack, mate, and they are no different to the other ones in things like this. They're really, really yummy, and you can buy 3 packs of them compared to 1 pack of the expensive ones, so why wouldn't you? Okay, 1 cup of designated coconut. Now we need 1 cup of peanuts. They're supposed to be unsalted, but I'm going to be a bit of a rebel today, and I'm going to use salted ones because I reckon they're going to taste pretty good. But I'll let you know at the end how that goes. We need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, the 395 gram cans, and we need a little bit, I'm going to use some nice dark chocolate, a little bit of chocolate to melt down at the end to put all over the top. So first thing we need to do is we need to preheat our ovens at 190 degrees Celsius. We need to get ourselves a rectangle tin, roughly 20 by 30 centimetre. It doesn't matter if it's a couple under or a couple over, you want roughly that. I'll put a little bit of butter in first and then our baking paper. Make sure you leave enough left over so we can yank that little puppy out later. Okay, once we've done that and our oven is preheating, oh, this is so much fun. Alright, first thing we do is we get our cup of sultanas and we just sprinkle them all over the bottom. Then we get our cup of choc chips and we sprinkle them all over the bottom. Peanuts. Sprinkle them over the top. And then the coconut, you definitely do got to do it in order though. I'll write it in order so you make sure you do it in order. We get our condensed milk, crack her open, and we just drizzle it back and forth over the whole thing. Okay, now we've drizzled it all over, we're just going to bend out our paper a little bit. And what we're going to do now is cover it in alfoil. Cover it well. Alright, now we're going to stick it in the oven as soon as it's hot enough for 20 minutes. When 20 minutes is up, we're going to take the alfoil off, turn the oven down to 180 and put it back in for another 15. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god, it smells awesome in here. Oh, I love these munchies. Oh, look at this, baby. Okay, what we do now is we leave it sitting there till it goes completely cold. Alrighty, she's completely cooled down now. So the next thing we want to do is grab a small saucepan, boil your kettle, put some water in there. Find yourself a bowl that sits on top nicely. And we just want to, I hope you're in view there. And we just want to put, all we're doing is we're going to melt some chocolate, get it on the spoon and go like that all over the top. So you don't need a great deal. I'll use that much, because that's how much I've got. Okay, so while that's melting down, now you can do this 2 ways. We'll take it out of there. Oops. Now, you can either leave it whole like this. Leave it whole like this, drizzle your chocolate all over it, wait for the chocolate to set and then cut it all up. But I actually like cutting it all up first and then drizzling the chocolate over it. Alright, so I've cut them all up and then I've separated them all a little bit so we can drizzle the chocolate over. Chocky's melted, so I've just got a teaspoon with a chunk of it on there. I'm just going to start in the corner, probably where you can't see, but you'll get there in a minute. I'm just going to do a roll at a time. You can make it chunky or you can make it thin. Do a bit of everything. Oh, we're almost at the best part of all, stuffing them in our gob. Yeah. Heaps of fun, wasn't it? Really easy. Not too many ingredients. I love stuff like this. Do some little chunky ones. Right, now we just leave it sitting there until the chocky sets. And they're all ready to go. Okay, now you store them in an airtight container. Now normally you could just store them out, like at the moment we're in winter about to come into spring, so it's pretty cool here, so I could probably leave them out in the container. But as summer comes along, no way. So I would put them in the fridge They last you at least a week in the fridge. And then when you pull them out, put them on a plate or whatever, but give them a good 5-10 minutes to warm up to room temperature before you eat them. Otherwise they'll be just rock hard. But they do store longer in the fridge. You just got to let them warm up. Boom. Oh mate, you have something so tasty and yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. You know me. Oh, the salted peanuts, couldn't taste them. Did not taste any difference at all. Oh, actually, there's a few things I want to say. Alright, so salted peanuts, not a problem. If you've only got salted ones, whack them in there. You can't taste it. It's awesome. Now, I do this a heap of different ways, but the only one I can think of at the top of my head is the apricot one. Now, if you want to make an apricot one, you change the cup of sultanas for a cup of dried apricots. When you cut the apricots up, just make sure you cut them up as small as a sultana. And when you lay them on first, make sure you lay them out really nice and even first, because they'd stick together like buggery, alright? I would swap the chopped chips and the chocolate on top for white chopped chips and white chocolate on top. And I would swap the peanuts for roasted almonds chopped up. So what I'll do is, you know how I always write the recipe below. Below that, I'll write the alternatives to make an apricot one, and that one is just so yummy as well. It's awesome. But yeah, you can change the fruit for a different fruit. You can change a nut for a different nut. You know, don't add anything else to it, because it's got to work exactly like that. But definitely change the elements of the same elements to something different. Oi, see you later. Bye.